Hello, and I'm here today with Adam Gold, Chief Technology Officer for Children's Hospital of Orange County. Hi, Adam.
Hey, Jason. Thanks for having me.
Glad to have you. So, tell me a little bit about what it's like being a healthcare CTO as opposed to a CTO of another type of institution.
So I would say in healthcare, obviously our biggest focus is making sure that the patient comes first. Obviously all of the systems that myself, really my team support, really end up impacting the patient at the end of the day via the clinicians that are taking care of them. So I'd say, it's pretty important.
Absolutely. And being a children's hospital?
Yeah, Children's Hospital is a little bit different from my other roles. What I like about that is we have the opportunity to see how technology could really impact the patient directly when it comes to their stay. So being able to provide some fun, something technical, something to enjoy, to get them, kind of out of the bed for a little while, maybe virtually.
And so how important is it from a CTO's perspective to partner with the rest of the organization?
I would say pretty critical. We always want to be brought in as early as possible when it comes to new initiatives or maybe new technologies they're thinking about implementing, or maybe the problems they're trying to solve. So us being able to partner with those departments outside of IT gives us an opportunity to get that visibility and help drive the discussion and give them some exposure to some technologies that maybe they haven't considered.
So with all of the influx of new technology recently, remote workers and such, how do you think that's going to affect overall moving forward in your organization?
Yeah, I definitely think we'll see more of that as COVID and these restrictions wind down. It was very clear that at the beginning of all of this, that not only was the technology desperately needed, but it is going to continue to be leveraged as we settle down, and move forward. So remote work will obviously stick around, and with that, a lot of the tools that we've implemented and deployed will be leveraged.
So any tips for other CTOs out there about the ingestion of new technology?
Yeah, I would say most of them probably know how important we are. We were called upon, during this great pandemic, I guess. But I think the best advice I could give is to always be ready. You never know when you're going to be called upon to be able to help mobilize an organization or implement something new that helps the organization out. So always be on your toes.
Fantastic. Adam Gold, CTO of Children's Hospital of Orange County. Thank you so much for your time and advice.
Yeah, thank you.